Productions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's your boy Eldorado, and in this video I'm going to show you a particular microphone that I have used on vocals and get stellar result while mixing the song. And I'm talking about none other than the Rode NT1 microphone. So this particular microphone, I bought it used because I did not sure what I was getting myself into, and I did have a microphone already. So I bought this particular microphone, and I can tell you it is a very amazing microphone if you're starting out or if you're upgrading from a cheaper microphone. I think this microphone would do you some form of justice when recording vocals. To me, and what I've seen on the graphs, it is fairly flat, and this particular microphone works well with my voice. And in a bit I'm going to jump into Pro Tools so you can see a session that I tracked and mixed with this particular microphone. For what I can say, it has a very smooth mid-range with my voice. The top end is not bright. The low mids, I can hear that beefiness in my vocals, and it's a overall all-round microphone, and it doesn't have that harsh mid-range with my particular voice. And I got some recordings from this, and it's basically the same thing. I don't get any harsh mid-range with this particular microphone. So we are going to jump over into Pro Tools so you can see a session I recorded and mixed with this particular microphone. So without further ado, now we are inside Pro Tools, and here I have the vocals that I use the Rode microphone to record, and this is what it sounds like, how I tracked it without the beat. Let me mute all this background vocal and let you hear the main lead vocals. Well, the thing I have on it is auto tune, and just plug and do those plugin. I have a little limiter on it so you can hear it a little louder. So I'm good. Girl, I like the way you look at me, that look in your eyes. You made me realize the things I missed in my life. With the beat. Girl, I like the way you look at me, that look in your eyes. You made me realize the things I missed in my life. Now we're gonna jump over to the mix session to let you hear what the mix sound like and the plugins that I have on this particular mix for using this particular model Rode microphone. And this is what it sounds like with the mix on it. Girl, I like the way you look at me, that look in your eyes. You made me realize the things I missed in my life. That's pretty much how the song sound. Right here I have a compressor here, but it is a outboard compressor. So the sound engine that I have enabled to record this particular video, it prevents me from using the outboard gear, but it's a Pro VLA 2 compressor. So what I'm going to do is going to play all this in context so you can really hear what it sounds like. Girl, I like the way you look at me, that look in your eyes. You made me realize the things I missed in my life. Girl, I like the way you look at me, that look in your eyes. You made me realize the things I missed in my life. And that is how the microphone itself sounds, the type of mix that you can really get from this particular microphone. And I personally would recommend, if you're starting out or you probably want to upgrade from another microphone, you can buy this particular microphone. And for me, I think this is fairly few amount of plugins that I would normally use, and a session, and it really helps with getting rid of some of certain things. As you can see, I mostly use EQ to kind of shape my vocals the way how I need it for this song. So I use a lot of EQ, tone shaping EQ, like the Pro EQ. I have 3 of that. This analog style EQ also to give it some coloration with the saturation and the creamy vibe going on, and controlling the mid-range and S's. So that's it for this particular demonstration video. I wouldn't per se call it a tutorial video, because you can really learn something from it, but the purpose of this video is just for the microphone itself. Now, this particular microphone that I'm speaking to, I'm going to do a review of it also, so you can really decide if it's a microphone for you or not. So without further ado, it's about Eldorado. I leave a link in the description to the mastered version of this particular song, so you can subscribe to my Vivo channel also and give me a thumbs up. So without further ado, again, peace out.